Here at 샌드빅코로만트, we operate a broad range of equipment on the production floor, including multiple 5-axis machines, multi-spindle and turret lathes, and a lot of automation. My name is Denny Page. I'm team lead for standard production for 샌드빅코로만트. I've been with Sandvik for 21 years. Vericut makes our job much easier in production. With Vericut now, there's 100% confidence that when we load a program and it's run through the simulation software, we know there's not going to be any machine incidents. So the change has been an operator staring in a machine for sometimes hours, watching a part run, can now load it and move on and do other tasks while the machine runs with no issue of collisions or tool breakage.
My name is Glenn Nord. I'm the engineering manager here at 샌드빅코로만트 in Medlin, North Carolina. So we purchased our first license of Vericut back in 1999. We've been on a journey ever since then where we've developed and continued to improve our usage of it. We saw a need for it because we were having machine collisions that were completely preventable with the software at the time because we were making quite a few engineered specials, so we were doing one-off programs every single day. I mean, a typical week right now we're doing 50 different setups on brand new jobs.
My name is Stephen Coffey. I'm a 5-axis operator. I've been with Sandvik for 29 years. When you're running a program for the first time, especially in the past, you had to hover over it like a hawk. You know, I mean, you could not leave it alone. There's no way. With having Vericut, it eases that tension of running that first piece, you know, and for me, that's one of the great benefits. A lot less nerve-wracking.
The benefit of having Vericut Reviewer on the shop floor has been a great tool. We have been able to see things on the shop floor that in the past were only seen in the engineering office. It has helped troubleshoot and eliminate problems to where we can see, okay, if we have an issue, is it with the program? And we can watch cut by cut and see what every operation's doing on the production floor without wasting the time of going to engineering. We can see if we have a tooling issue or if we do need to seek out additional support.
So the benefits of Vericut that I see is that it allows us to simulate the programs prior to running them on the machine. It helps us avoid any kind of incidents out on the machines that could be prevented. It increases the confidence of the operators out on the production floor to have more uptime. It gives them the opportunity to see the simulations for themselves, to help troubleshoot things out on the floor. And overall, it helps us to put a better product and more confidence out there.